Hey everyone, it's your homegirl Angel, and here I am by myself but still living Firme. Today I'm going to cover some social media strategies to help you build your social media up for your business. But before I get into it, I want you to do me a favor and subscribe to this channel. Also hit the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever we upload videos. Today I'm covering a strategy by Gary Vaynerchuk. I don't know if you've heard of him, but in case you haven't, you definitely want to follow this dude. He is a social media master. What I'm going to share with you is the Gary V Buck 80 philosophy on building your social media following. Now, what Gary talks about is not just acquiring followers. You have got to pay attention to more than just vanity metrics. You can look like you have all these followers, but are those followers your tribe? Are they your community? Are these people that you can relate to, that hear you, that need what you have to offer? That is the secret. Let's just get right into it. The Gary Vaynerchuk $80 strategy is that you find 10 hashtags that are appropriate to your business, and you find 9 posts for each of those hashtags. So that's 90 posts, and you leave your 2 cents on 90 posts every day. Who are the people that are in your industry or interested in your industry, and what hashtags are they using? You're going to do the research on finding out what your hashtag strategy is. For Living Firme, we are obviously interested in several things. We are interested in our Latinidad. We're interested in business building. We're interested in elevating small businesses. We're interested in elevating minds in our community. We're interested in erasing stigma. So there's so many things that we're interested in. You might want to start out looking at people that you respect or people that are doing the damn thing in your industry. We would like to be in Latina magazine. That is one of our goals. And so in order to be in Latina magazine, we are going to follow Latina magazine, and then we're going to also start following that hashtag I am Latina. On here, we're gonna see, here are the top posts. Badass picture, so I'm gonna go ahead and like it, but there's no place for me to leave a comment. So she's a badass, she is a Latina, I'm moving on. Here, whatever doesn't kill you makes you más chingona. That is awesome, great slogan, and 100% true, right? I mean that. That's a great freaking slogan. Whatever doesn't kill you makes you más chingona. I live that every damn day. If you're going to engage in this type of marketing, do not half-ass. Do not go up and put comments in people's feeds that are nonsense. Go to the brands, go to the pages that inspire you for ideas. Start following them and be legit about it. The Buck 80. Some people say it's free, and I'm like, that's bullshit. It's not free because you have to spend a lot of time doing it. Listen, people, nothing in life is free. You've got to count the cost. If you want to build your social media strategy, you want to focus on what channel you're going to do that on. 2, you want to put the time into doing the research that's going to be required for that particular platform. And 3, you want to set aside that time, and you want to be disciplined about it. Just like it's a part of your job, you want to be consistent. I created this post list for this example. I have the 10 different hashtags that I used and how many times I was able to comment on them. So for us at Living Firme, we have a mastermind group. So obviously that was a hashtag that I looked up. We're into making sure that people are manifesting their dreams and helping them to do that. So I looked that one up. Motivation for business, positive vibes always, networking events, entrepreneur women, hustle and grind, entrepreneur parenting, small business life, being a boss chick, being a boss lady. You get the drift. You do have to go in here and put them in. And let's just say I'm going to put in mastermind group. There's 16,000 posts on mastermind group. right? Here's the top post at the top of your list. The first 9 posts are always the top posts. And then underneath there, there's the most recent. So the top posts are usually going to have a lot of comments. You may want to make comments on the top post. It may be something that you're really, really feeling. This guy says masterminds are the key to level up and be surrounded by others that actually want to help you succeed. I like that, and I will say amen. And then I'll move on, right? So that was one. Check it out. Who's in the top posts on mastermind groups? Your homegirls. Don't let your own mind bully you. Yes, this was us, and we got 528 likes. And we did use that tag, mastermind group. But where I'm going to look now is in my most recent posts. And I really like to look at the texts. I look at them for learning too. So this says, remember to take care of yourself. Sometimes you get so busy taking care of others that you forget that you are important to nourish the mind. Can I get an amen? So true. Thank you. So that's number 2. Right? I'm just going to scroll through here quickly. You're going to see some in different languages. Ooh, empowered women, empower women. This is 100% true. We are doing our part, and we appreciate you doing yours. Gracias. You can see how you can move on and make your way through these things and really be authentic with it. Don't be fake and leaving some fake comments, and don't pitch. Everything doesn't have to be a, hey, will you come to my event? Or, hey, I have a great page, come and visit. No, as a matter of fact, don't do that at all. You're not here to do that. You're here to meet your tribe. And your tribe is going to take time to build. And your tribe doesn't need to be sold to. They need relationships with people that they trust. Yes, you have a product that would be awesome in their life, and you will be able to put that product in front of your tribe when they are ready. And when they're ready, they are going to not just sit back. They're going to ask you. They're going to ask you when they're ready for your stuff. So for right now, it's about them. And that's what's really important about this strategy. And that's what I got most out of Gary Vee and who he is as a person and as a marketer. You have plenty of time to strut your stuff when it comes to your page. You have plenty of time to express yourself and to give people a chance to get to know you and broadcast who you are. When you're doing this technique, it's about celebrating the people in your tribe. It's about saying right on. It's about cheering them on. So you're going onto their pages or their posts to cheer them, to relate to them. You tell me, is that something that you feel like you're going to be able to incorporate in your business? Would it be something that would be worth it for you? Leave me your answer in the comments, and do me a favor, do leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know what you want to see next. Until next we meet, al rato.